Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel after a very long time. And काफ़ी random chat हो गया आज on healing and something I've been talking about, something I've been working on myself, which is on healing and creating boundaries, saying no. क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, मैं पर्सनली ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ जहाँ पे आई वाज टू मच ऑफ अ प्लीजर. I wouldn't say no to certain people, right? जिनके साथ आसान होता है बोल देते हो, but there are some strong personalities जिनको आप disappoint नहीं करना चाहते. They don't take no for an answer. So it is a challenge. It is a factor of growth for you to stand up to them, right? And not be a pleaser because that following that old pattern is much more easier. तो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है हमारे वीडियो का. सेकंड अगेन हीलिंग के ऊपर है, वेयर हम काफ़ी फिक्सेट करते हैं एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों में, आर लाइफ स्टाइल, आर वर्कआउट, आर connections and everything when it comes to healing, recovering and feeling better about ourselves, our health. But healing is everything. What we kind of ignore also is the environment, the kind of people who have control over us, right? Who we've kind of given the control to. That could be our employers or our seniors or whoever. uh, it's vital to see ourselves and be honest that are we the sufferers in that relation. Is it, are these people being like tyrants in one way? An example of that could be कि we're not getting any praise and them not we cannot say no to them, right? In such a situation. So all of these things, it's very vital. A very underappreciated aspect is clearing out your environment and being in that place where everything, you're not feeling any stress in your body. Like these are certain signs of of not enjoying, not in and not being in a loving environment is the stress that one feels in their body. So that's a major factor that one has to ask themselves um, and have this dialogue, and be truthful to themselves, right? Because सबकी जर्नी अलग है और उन्हीं को आंसर पता है कि कहाँ पे वो अपनी लाइट डिम कर रहे हैं. तो वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड उसी के साथ को रिस्पॉन्ड एंड उसी के साथ एक और फैक्टर है कि for us to build a strong inner body as well, which has like strong boundaries. uh, एंड बस वॉरियर को हम लोग उस तरीके से फिजिकल देखते हैं, राइट? अ पर्सन हु कैन फाइट एंड समवन हु कैन लिफ्ट वेट्स, अ मार्शल आर्टिस्ट एंड सो फोर्थ. दैट इज़ वेल एंड गुड, बट एक इमोशनल बॉडी वो भी है दैट इज़ दैट कैन मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंड्रीज एंड इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ प्लीजर. एक बाउंड्री जिसकी ना हो और इन्फ्रिंज अगर बाउंड्रीज हो रही है आपकी, तो आप यू फील बैड, यूर इन डिस्पेयर, लाइक यू फील सो हेल्पलेस. एक विक्टिम बन गए हो आप, और फिर आप दूसरे जने के लिए आपके लिए हेट आती रहती है जस्ट बिकॉज यू नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू काइंड ऑफ से नो. and and you need to realize that okay, even if you disappoint the other person, that's completely okay. That's their task. Your task is to focus on the self, right? And be honest to yourself. So that's the second part of having a strong emotional body as well, which is able to withstand all the emotional um, stress that comes in your way. And that is being a warrior as well. To build that, to say no, to have strong boundaries, right? To not be okay with something that is not does not serve you, and where you're not being respected. So very important. And uh, and yeah, to focus on that environment. Your healing does not occur if you're in that. एक organism जैसे होता है, उसको हम एक ideal environment में रखते हैं for it to nurture, nourish, for it to grow. And वैसा ही human का भी, as we are also a organism. And it's vital for us to be in that environment where we're nurtured, we get praise, love, rather than us hell bent on proving our worth, right? And then if we're not able to live up to someone's standard, we feeling the guilt. So it's very important, all of these aspects to come together, and for you to be in an environment as well, loving nature, or just let go of these things. Don't act out from your fear. Many times, what we kind of think, what we think as logic is basically fear, which is masked as logic, right? So be very watchful of it. uh, I wish you guys all the best. I'll get back again with a video, probably on similar topic. And as I continue growing on my journey, I'll keep continuing to share uh, what I continue to learn. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.